What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and we are back with another Ipsy video. Yeah, so I've been through so much, but I'm not even gonna talk about that in this video. Honestly, I'm gonna do like not a life update video, but in my next video after the next video that's gonna go up before this, and then this one's gonna go up, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about what has been going on with me in my life, and I'm gonna let y'all know, just let y'all know what has been going on, because honestly I've been going through so much. But I finally got my baby, which is my laptop, fixed, and now I'm having my videos edited and I'm getting videos posted, and I'm just happy because I'm getting back into just the things with my YouTube channel, and that makes me happy. So enough rambling. Y'all might hear some noise because they having like a barbecue at my house and they playing the tunes right now. Y'all gotta get some music. So yes, it's 10:58 in the night. I just got inside from some festives outside, and I want to do our Ipsy video. Y'all know I got my Ipsy video, my Ipsy bags really late in the month. I don't know why they deliver them so late, but they do, and I still managed to get my videos done within a good amount of time, and I'm really proud of myself for that. So pats on the back to me for staying up to date and keeping the promise that I made to record and upload my videos before the month is over for the month of the Ipsy bags that I've received. All right, so yeah, here is our August Ipsy bag. Really cute and simple this time. Normally they have a lot going on with the Ipsy bags, but this is really cute and simple, and it still does have a lot going on because it has some detail and it's cute. And before we get into the video, before I mess up and I don't say what I'm supposed to say, here's a brochure. It says bare yourself, and y'all know that I'm all about that bare raw skin. Y'all probably see something different right now because I'm starting to use my ring light again. I stopped using my ring light, and I was just using like natural lighting and like some different lights that I had, but I'm starting to use my ring light again. I really like how my ring light makes my videos look really professional and stuff like that, so I'm gonna start using her again. So my baby's back in action, and my light is looking super bright. Even though I got my orange thing on, I think she's looking really bright because I'm against the white wall, but it's looking bright and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. And I washed my hair yesterday, so I got it braided up in things. But yeah, so y'all know I'm really big on bare skin and everything. So here's a brochure. Here's the inside with the details on the products we have, and let's get into this video. The first item, so it's this Suva Beauty eyeshadow in the shade Turmeric. I found it very funny that I got the shade Turmeric, especially since the first product that I launched with Honey & Co Cosmetics was a turmeric face scrub. I take things into perspective, and I really feel like this was a sign from God. He does those type of stuff. So I see you, God. I'm gonna continue this. I'm gonna continue working. But look at the shade, y'all. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion Moisturizer. It is an oil-free moisturizer for all skin types. I'm very oily, so this would work for me because I don't like to use products with that much oil in it, though I moisturize with oil. It's strange, but that's what works for me. I don't know if people use this as like a primer. I'm gonna have to try this out and see what it gives me. It has no scent. Third item we have would be this Luxie Beauty 237 Blending Dreamcatcher brush. I told y'all how serious I am about the brushes, but now my makeup brush collection is like, so I'm so happy with my brushes and glad that I'm getting brushes consistently, but I'm getting mad brushes. Like, my brush collection is a lot right now. Fourth item we have BioRace Pore Purifying and Tea Tree Clay Mask. Wow, I love masks. Y'all know that I love clay mask. I love any type of mask, any type of skincare deets, especially when it's natural. So, and the fact that it has tea tree, I love tea tree oil. So this is the color of the mask. It smells not like tea tree oil. It smells, I don't know, but it has like some little beads. So I'm gonna try that mask out and let y'all know how I feel about it, because I'm always trying out new things and incorporating new things into my skincare journey. So I will let y'all know. And lastly, our last item, which is our 5th item, Nails Ink nail polish in the color Weekend Superpowers. Really cute color. I like these earthy tones. So if you know me, or if you don't, a fact about me is I love nudes, natural nude pinks, nude browns, earthy nude tones are like my colors. But I'm really big on colors overall as well. It's so crazy, but not really that crazy. Like, I'm just really big on shades and colors. So one of my favorite sets of colors are like earthy tones, but I also love colors, like vibrant colors as well. So I really like that color, and fall is coming up. That's a really nice fall color. I can't wait to incorporate that, put that on my nails for this fall. Concludes our August Ipsy video. I'm gonna try to, well, I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna edit this video tomorrow, and I'm gonna have it out before the month of August is over. I don't want to say the day after that, because I have a video that I want to put out first, and then, so y'all stay on the lookout for that. Thank you to everybody that's really showing me support, showing me love, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. Like, I really do appreciate all of my supporters, everybody that's showing me love, everybody that's supporting me and just showing me love. I really appreciate you. I love you. I'm grateful for you. Thank y'all. We only going up from here. So y'all stay tuned for the next video and the video that I'm dropping before this. And I love y'all. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Have a blessed night. I'm about to go watch 13 Reasons for the rest of my night. I love y'all. Don't y'all love this belt? I love this belt. I've been looking for it for a while, and I finally found it, and I love it.